Hey, so here's a step-by-step of how to use the Webflow Input Enhance extension. So after installing the extension, it will be automatically running, and the only thing that you need to do is to add the words style, class, or drop-down to your property names. So for example, let's edit this component and into properties, let's enhance this field here. So click, and then just by adding the style word, it will already work. But something that we like to do here is to add the word between brackets. So going back now, as soon as we click here, a text area will be added below the regular input field from Webflow, and this input field is disabled. So all the changes are done now inside the text area. Let's add a new line and insert a inline CSS, so padding top, 10 rams, and as you can see, we have padding top of the rams. And something that you don't need to worry about is with semicolons because our extension will automatically add those for you. So let's remove this padding top, and now classes. So same thing, edit, and let's add the word class. Yeah, let's wrap between brackets and going back. Now the functionality will be the same. When I click, a text area will be added here, and then on a new line, I can type background color and then black. That's a class that we have here on our project. And then you don't need to worry about space because our extension will automatically add the space here for you. So let's remove. And a cool feature that we just added is the possibility to insert to create a drop down for your input field. So let's do this. Let's go back here and let's change from class to drop down. And the the thing here is that you need to create an ID for your drop down. It can be anything, any world, anything. Uh, let's like something that I created here. It's IE for input enhance, and then sections, section size. And now another thing that you need to do is to insert a text block, set this thing to visible with attribute IE dropdown, and the value must be the ID that you just created. So I said section size. Let's change so SS. And the value of your the text of your text block must be the option separated by comma. So in this case, we have padding section large, padding section medium, and padding section small. And something that is really cool is that to prevent any unnecessary things going live, you can wrap this thing to a div and set to hidden, and it will work the same way. So now you can see that I have the drop down and my ID, and when I click, my options appears, and then I can select padding section small, padding section medium, padding section large. And we can do the same thing. So let's do here for the container. Uh, let's just see the ID that I created for this one. So IE-CS. So let's do the same thing here. Props, then container size should be drop down equals then my ID. Okay, so now when I go back and click here, the options for my container size appear. And one thing that's very important for you to know is that it doesn't need to be classes, it doesn't need to be styles, it can be literally anything. So that's how to insert a drop down into your input fields as well. Hope you like it and thank you.